Wuici wa migunda kaunti-ini ya Kiambu ica ikuhi ni ukoretwo unyitite thinga muno Makiria mwena wa Ruiru na Thika. Ni kumana na wuici wa migunda uri urerikana kuhihiririo ucungiriirie maabithaa magana matandatu thi-ini wa ministry ya migunda mwena uyu kuhurwo transfer na gutwarwo thi-ini wa ministry ingi o uthuthuria wigie ciiko cia gwitahira migunda gatagati ka amwe ya maabithaa ya ugithiaga na mbere. Gideon Mung'aro ni CAS mwena uyu.
If you come to Ardhi House, all the clerks in Ardhi House were moved. Now there are about 600 clerks going also to be moved again countrywide, then land officers, then surveyors. It's an ongoing exercise because some people have overstayed. Mtu amekaa Thika maybe miaka 15 ama amekaa mahali. Unajua hiyo sio chief. Mtumishi wa serikali anakaa kidogo anaenda kutumikia Wakenya wengine. Unajua watu wakikaa sana pia ndio kunakuwa na ukora.
Na ndio maikarire grabas makiona nafasi ya kuingira mugunda witu na gutinagia. Ogo ithwe tukaneirwo handu hamwe na ni kuri andu mahetwo appointment matari na mugunda.
Mung'aro ni augite uthuthuria mbara nginyo wigie uici no urathie na mbere akiuga aria othe makunyitikana na guteithiriria uici ni magufutwo wira na gutacukirio makinya marumu ma kiwatho.
Anybody who is found to have been involved in irregularities in their station or corruption, they are not being transferred to. We are not taking corruption from Thika to another place. Kama kuna ofisa anahusika na ufisadi kutoka Thika ama another place, will not be transferred somewhere else. Will be suspended or interdicted till tupate majibu yake, then they'll be sent home.
Our lives and the property are not secured. This is a government land. Even if you have acquired those documents irregularly and illegally, then there is a procedure to evict the people who are on the land.
Gukorerekana maabithaa amwe thi-ini wa ministry ino makoretwo makinyitanira na turianime na guteithiriria uici na njira cia Google. Fotera Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Maina wa Mwangi.
Huyo agusiki